Miss Shalini, can I ask you a question on behalf of the students?
Yes, Miss Rose.
Okay.
We have completed year 1. We all from different schools came here last year. Today, it doesn't feel like we are just 1 year. I believe to this school from years. Thanks to you, Lohita ma'am, director sir, principal, teachers, and everyone. Now all heading to next year, when you look ahead, what excites you the most about the direction the school is taking academically and culturally?
What excites me, Rose, the most is the range of opportunities children will genuinely have to discover who they are and what they love to. We are creating a space where no single path is seen as more important than the other. Child discovering a chemical reaction in the science lab, watching gases release, and asking why, that curiosity matters deeply. At the same level of importance is given a child in an art studio learning how to hold the right brush, understanding which stroke brings life to a penguin's beak. Both the movements require focus, precision, patience, and creativity. Similarly, in the math class, finding the area of an isosceles triangle is essential. And so is the understanding of right combination of ingredients in a culinary art class to enhance the taste. In both the cases, children are learning proportion, balance, measurement, and decision making. We are very clear about one thing: no subject takes space away from another. Sports periods are never used for academics, exams, or revision, and hobby periods or guitar classes are never taken away by sports day practice.
If a parent listening today asks, why should I choose this school for my child? What would you tell them?
If a parent asked me that, I wouldn't rush to answer. I would wait, I would pause. I would like to answer this question in two folds. The first one is, before taking an admission into the school, I think parents should importantly look at the visionary leaders behind the organization, their vision, their mission, and how close they are, how committed they are to their vision and mission. It matters. The infrastructure of the school can be modified. Affiliations, the boards, and the intellectual things can be evaluated and evolved. But very important is the vision, the mission, and the people behind it, how committed they are to bring this into their organization. And the second point, what a parent need to look is, I would say, don't rush to join your child in a school. I would rather say, come and experience the school. Not during a presentation, not through a brochure. Come on a regular morning, walk through the campus, let your child run ahead, sit under a tree, listen to the sounds, notice how children move, speak, and belong. Stay long enough to watch the sunrise here, or even better, the sunset. So don't choose us with your mind alone. Let the place choose you.